Tired of underwater action cameras that turn vivid reefs into muddy blur? I analyzed 5 underwater action cameras that actually capture sharp, color-accurate footage below the surface. What I found about underwater color correction in these underwater action cameras will save you from dull, unusable vacation footage. Here we go. Starting off at number 5, this one nails creative flexibility without sacrificing underwater toughness. We have the Insta360 X5 8K 360 action camera. Picture yourself snorkeling over a reef. Instead of worrying where the lens is pointed, you just hit record. The X5 captures everything around you in 8K at up to 30 frames per second using those dual 1/1.2 8-inch sensors. Later, you drag your finger around in the app and pick the exact framing you want. That means you can enjoy the dive in the moment and compose the shot after. The triple AI chip is a big deal underwater. It helps clean up noise, pull detail out of darker areas, and keep colors from turning into that flat blue mush you see on cheaper cameras. So even when the light drops, your footage still looks usable, not like a grainy mess. Now, this next feature is what separates it from a normal action cam. With the so-called invisible selfie stick, you get those third-person drone-style angles where the stick just disappears from the shot. Great for free diving, cliff jumps, or surf sessions. Just know, the stick is sold separately. Flow state stabilization, plus full 360 horizon lock, keeps everything steady and level, even if you roll, twist, or get knocked around by waves. No gimbal, no fiddling, and with Instaframe mode, you can have it spit out a normal flat video right away, or save the full 360 file and reframe later. For underwater trips, the X5 is waterproof down to about 49 feet without a case, which covers most snorkeling and casual diving. The upgraded battery can push close to 3 hours in ideal condition, and fast charging to around 80% in roughly 20 minutes. Helps if you're bouncing between dives. One consideration is workflow. To really unlock 360 footage, you'll spend time in the app and you'll want a fast, high-capacity microSD card, which is not included. At the end of the day, this makes sense. If you want one camera that can handle underwater action and also give you creative, reframable shots for social media and more polished edits, you'll find the link in the description. Next up at number 4, this one leans hard into reliable, high-quality footage over fancy tricks. We have the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Where the last camera was all about creative 360 shots, this goes straight for classic point-and-shoot action. You hit record, and it just locks onto the moment. You're getting 5.3K video with high dynamic range, so there's a lot of detail to work with. Shadows keep texture, bright areas don't blow out as easily, and underwater scenes don't turn into a flat blue blob. If you like pulling stills from video, the GoPro Quick app lets you grab around 24 megapixel frame grabs, plus you can shoot 27 megapixel photos directly. But here's where it gets interesting for underwater use. Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization is still the benchmark. Even when you're kicking hard with fins, getting tossed in surf, or hanging onto a kayak, the footage stays steady and level without a gimbal. Auto Boost tightens things up more, while keeping cropping under control. The body itself is built to be abused. It's waterproof down to about 10 meters or 33 feet with no housing. That's perfect for snorkeling, shallow free diving, pool training, and most surface sports. The water-repelling lens cover helps clear droplets and reduces flare, which matters when you break the surface and go back under again and again. You get an Enduro battery in the box, a curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle with thumb screw, and a USB-C cable, so you can stick it on a helmet, board, or boat and start shooting. Just remember you'll need a micro SD card, and if you plan long 5.3K sessions, extra batteries are almost mandatory. Where this really shines is for people who want dependable, stabilized, high-resolution footage in a compact, tough package and don't need 360 capture. For deeper diving, you'll want a separate housing, but for everyday water adventures, this covers a lot. Link is in the description. At number 3, this is where things start to feel more cinematic. We have the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Here's what's interesting. It works with a whole set of HB series lenses, and it actually detects which one you've attached. Ultra wide for that massive reef or wreck shot. Macro for getting right up on corals or tiny critters. Neutral density filters when the sun is harsh on the surface. And an anamorphic option if you're chasing that stretched movie-style look. Just know, those lens mods are extras, not in the box. Core image quality is the other big story. You're getting 5.3K video, which is sharper than standard 4K. That extra detail really shows in bubbles, sand, and textures on rocks. Later, in the GoPro Quick app, you can pull stills up to around 25 megapixels straight from your clips, so you can just hit record on a dive and decide later which exact moment becomes a photo. Slow motion gets pushed further here here too. There's a burst slow-mo mode that can slow action down to about 13 times normal speed. Think backflips off a boat, a wave folding over a surfer, or a turtle kicking past you. For crisper files, you can still do shorter 4 times slow-mo at full 5.3K. On the toughness side, it's built for abuse, waterproof down to about 10 meters, so perfect for snorkeling, pool training, shallow freedives, and surface sports. The lens cover is water repelling, which actually helps clear droplets and cut down on weird flares when you pop in and out of the water. In the box, you get the polar white camera, an enduro battery, curved adhesive mount, buckle with thumb screw, and a USB-C cable. You'll need to add a micro SD card, and if you plan long 5.3K sessions, extra batteries are smart. This makes the most sense if you want top-tier detail, plus the option to grow into those creative lens mods. Just remember, for deeper dives, you'll still want a dedicated housing. Check the link in the description. These products are great, but there are hundreds of deals every day, and most of them are trash. That's why I pick the 5 best from each category every day and post them for free on Telegram. And you can choose only the categories that interest you, with zero spam. Link in the description. Next up at number 2, this one is for people who just want to hit record and jump in. It's the UROi 4K 60 frames per second waterproof action camera. If you hate juggling extra cards and batteries, this setup helps a lot. In the box, you're already getting a 64 gig memory card and 2 batteries. Each one can push close to a full session, so you're not cutting dives short just to recharge. The headline spec is 4K at 60 frames per second. That higher frame rate keeps fast motion looking smooth, whether you're kicking hard with fins or bombing a downhill trail. You can also grab 48 megapixel photos, so you don't have to pick between video and stills. Now here's the part that matters most for underwater use. The body is rated to about 50 feet with no housing, so for snorkeling, pool training, shallow freedives, cliff jumps, or just messing around at the lake, you can throw this straight in the water. No extra case also means cleaner audio and less chance of fogging. To keep shots steady, it uses a 6-axis electronic stabilization system. It's not magic, but it does a solid job taking the jitter out of swimming, paddling, or shaky handheld clips. Paired with the 170-degree wide angle, it gives you that classic action cam look and keeps more of the scene in frame. What's even better is how simple it is to live with. Touchscreen plus physical button, so you can still control it with wet hands. There's a wrist remote for starting and stopping recording when the camera's on a board, helmet, or the end of a pole. Just remember that remote itself isn't waterproof. For sharing, you get both landscape and vertical modes, plus built-in Wi-Fi. Shoot in 9x16, send it through the app, and you've got clips ready for TikTok or Reels in a few minutes. It doesn't do live streaming though, so think record now, post later. One thing to keep in mind, this isn't aimed at deep scuba or pro-level color work out of the box. It's more of a grab-and-go kit for casual dives, travel, and everyday adventures where you want 4K footage without building a whole rig. If that sounds like your use case, the UROi is a practical, all-in-one way to get started. Find it in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And finally, number 1. This is where solid 4K meets real-world practicality. The AKASO V50X 4K action camera. If you've ever tried to film underwater and ended up with shaky, washed-out footage, this goes straight at that problem. You get Ultra HD video options, up to 4K at 30 frames per second, plus 2.7K 30 and 2K 60, so you can choose smoother motion or higher resolution, depending on what you're doing. Electronic image stabilization is working all the time, in the background, swimming with fins, bobbing on a boat, or just running down a trail. It keeps the image noticeably steadier and more watchable. You won't fix every wild movement, but it really helps tame the small jitters. What's nice on the surface is the touchscreen. The menus are simple. You just swipe and tap to change modes, check clips, or adjust settings. Underwater, touchscreens are never ideal, so you set things up before you jump in, then rely on the housing buttons if you're using one. For framing, you can pick between several field of view options, wide at around 170 degrees, or tighter at 140, 110, or 70. Turn on distortion calibration, and it pulls some of that fisheye stretch back into a more natural look, which is great for reefs and people shots. Battery life is another strong point. You get 2 rechargeable 1350 mAh batteries in the box. In lighter modes, they can stretch toward about 3 hours of total recording. Obviously less if you push high resolutions and stabilization in cold water. Still, it's plenty for a day of snorkeling stops and hikes. You also get a whole bundle of mounting accessories, so you can strap it to boards, helmets, and poles without hunting down extras right away. Where this really shines is as a dependable do-most-things camera for trips, water parks, and casual dives without needing a full professional setup. Just remember, it tops out at 4K 30, so if you're chasing super slow motion in full 4K, this isn't that. Link is in the description. Now you're clear on which cameras keep underwater footage sharp and colorful, so you avoid wasting trips on dull clips. For serious creators who'll edit and push detail, go with number 3. For a simple all-in-one starter kit, choose number 2. For best overall value on casual trips, grab number 1. Deals often disappear before peak travel season, so check the links in the description.